Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this one, I'm going to show you Canadian sportsbooks and their bonuses, those massive juicy ones that, as you'll know by now, we can make easy profit from. If you want to know how to turn an $1,000 bonus into $700 profit, go in the description and check that out. So let's run through the bonuses available. We're just going to do a handful because there's so many of them in Canada. You can make lots and lots of profit from them. So the first one is Sports Interaction, and you can see on Sports Interaction I've got a $1,000 welcome bonus here. So Sports Interaction say they're going to give me $1,000 on my first deposit. So all I have to do is put $1,000 in or anything up to it, and you're going to get a $1,000 bonus to bet. And of course, we can hedge that according to the Profit Gateway method. Now, if you click Terms and Conditions, it's just going to tell you a little bit about it. It's going to say, okay, you need to put $1,000 in. Only bets placed and settled within 45 days of the deposit are going to qualify, and just a bit about the minimum odds and everything like that. So you're getting to grips really with what the terms are, and it's an amazing bonus to have. So our first one there is Sports Interaction. Very reputable site, and they also have a $200 refer a friend bonus too. So that's $1,000 from Sports Interaction. Next, we've got Bet Victor. Now, Bet Victor is also in the UK. I've used them many times myself, but you can see as well, inside Canada, you've got a $300 matched sports bonus right here. So if you opt in and place any sports bet at odds of 2.00 or greater, you're going to get a free bet up to $300. So that's a plus 100 bet on American odds, okay, or a 1-to-1 fractional odds bet. And again, just like Sports Interaction, nice juicy bonus to make nice bit of profit from with the Profit Gateway method. And you can see in the terms, it's going to tell you everything you need to know. Again, you need to do this within 7 days of registering, the minimum odds, the amount you can get, everything is in there. There's no wagering requirements on these bonuses, which is fantastic. It's immediate profit. And even if there is wagering requirements, we can still profit from those as well. But that's the next bonus, guys, up to $300 free bets. And I hope by now this is just giving you an idea of what's on offer inside Canada. So if we go on to Bet365, you can see that there's another offer, okay? Now, the offer on Bet365, again, it's brilliant. Bet $1 and get $250 free bet credits. So that's an extremely small deposit and bet in order to unlock that massive bonus of $250 in bet credits again, which is able to be turned into profit. Once more, in the description, it's going to say, okay, you need to sign up, make a new deposit of $10 or more, okay, and then claim the offer. And then you can activate your bet credits by betting $1, and it's going to be added to your balance once it's settled. So the terms are all there for that as well. But another amazing bonus in Canada. There's so many of them. It's a great time to be betting in there. So that's it, guys. That's just a handful of bonuses to give you an idea of what's available there. There's lots of cash to be made with the Profit Gateway method. If you're wondering what that is, go in the description of this video and get started up with us. See you there, guys.